Hi guys, we have a Vito 2010. Don't think it's much different from the 2004 upwards. The problem this one had, it was stood for a couple of months and then it wouldn't recognise the key. So open and close doors, but when you put it in ignition nothing happens. So it was quite simplest way to fix it. All I did is I tried everything, fuses and whatnot, also disconnecting battery and whatnot. Nothing worked. All I had to do is clean this key and then clean that. Yeah, literally I used like pen, this pen there, like that. Okay, you don't want to use too much force in case you damage anything inside. And I cleaned it and it worked straight away. Here we go. Now we have a running vehicle. This vehicle has been stood for about 6 months because of this problem, and basically it didn't cost me anything to fix it. So here we go. Please like the video, guys.